Sprizzy goes beyond typical advertising. Where banner and text ads fail, Sprizzy succeeds. Our engagement unit allows you to promote your campaign with a captivating headline, descriptive text, and an accompanying video. Visitors viewing the advertisement can share your product or service on social media in as easy as one simple click.
Let's see how easy it is to set up. First, choose which type of product or service you're looking to advertise. This will help us understand your goals and allow us to properly set up your campaign. Next, enter the page URL that you're looking to advertise. Depending on the type of campaign, our service will automatically build your advertisement for you. If not, add the information about your product or service and upload an image or video. Choose who should see your ads, from the countries to the interests. Enter how much you want to spend on the campaign. Configure Google Analytics to track how many conversions were generated from your Sprizzy campaign. Finally, fund your account.
We have helped some of the most successful Kickstarter campaigns get funded, added value to tens of thousands of sites, and gave the digital advertising industry a unique way to market with relevance.